Hi, my name is Carolyn, and I have wanted to be a bartender for a long time now, and I finally decided to enroll in local bartending school. It was a relatively easy process to follow. All the steps were very well laid out and explained. I really enjoyed the one-on-one training with my instructor because there's only so much you can learn from watching videos and reading books, so doing it in person was very helpful, and I got to learn how to make all my favorite drinks and also make drinks that I hadn't heard before. The online courses were very informative. It provided a lot of good tips as far as dealing with unruly patrons and how to cut someone off in a way that isn't rude or offensive to someone. I'm really excited to continue with my bartending journey now that I feel like I have a good solid foundation on all the basics. I can make quite a few really good cocktails now, and I know the proper way to handle and use all the materials. So yeah, I would definitely recommend this course to anyone who is just starting out in their bartending career.